Peace. Merry Christmas to you all of you out there, down a yard and all abroad. Big up on yourself.
Big up on
every
yourself.
time.
Every
Don't watch
time.
nothing.
Period.
Thumbs up.
Period.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making our traditional Jamaican Christmas cake.
Yes, right. Well, go on, everybody. Today,
With
we
Bea.
are going to make Black Jamaican
Christmas
cake.
So we have all the ingredients
So
out.
big up yourself
Yes.
and watch what go on.
So we got all the ingredients out. Let me try to zoom in a little bit.
Right, everybody, tell you what go on here. So, all right, we have all-purpose flour. We have eggs right here, so cane sugar right here, so. And we did put them in one here for soak.
For a long time.
For a
1
long
month.
time.
Then well soaked.
1 month long, then well soaked. So we have raisin in it.
Prune.
We have prune in there.
That's what we put in
And
there.
we have cherry in there. Now we have the pure almond extract. We have the real Jamaican.
Real Benjamins.
Real Benjamin, the real
Benjamins.
thing. Look funny. Benjamin, real thing. We have cinnamon right here, so.
Can't have cake.
We have
Can't have
red
the
label
Jamaican
wine.
cake without the red label wine.
Right, and you can't have the Jamaican cake without the sorrel, and you don't know what's a sorrel going at, the red label wine going at sorrel. Alright, and the real
Jamaican
thing,
rum.
it's going at sorrel too. Right, so we have the
Butter.
Imperial Crown with quality butter. Good, and then right, so them say good for baking.
Yep, that's what I'm picking
And
up.
then we have our measuring
Cups.
see them here? This here 1 year quarter cup. This here 1/3. The 1 year half cup and the 1 year 1 cup.
Alright, so.
Hold on there, hold on there.
Oh, mommy not done. She not done. She not
We
done.
have the real nutmeg. See the grater here? And we have, we
The
call it
mixing.
our Jamaica pudding pan. The mixing bowl. Yes, that's the first time we had it.
So I am following the IamAJamaican.net Jamaican Christmas cake recipe. This was one of the simplest one we find. So I chose this one. Okay, so it said set the clean oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Yeah, set the oven to 300 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna set that. So the oven is set and we are gonna start.
We have a creamy sugar and the butter here now.
So this recipe requires 8 ounces of butter. So butter did out of the fridge anyway. So each stick of butter 4 ounces. So I'm gonna use 2. And tip, if you don't have the raisin and the fruits soak already, you can just boil the raisin and everything in the wine pan the stove when you're ready to do it.
Alright, sir.
Alright, ready. I try to get one of them fancy mixer there, but Black Friday sell out.
Alright, now that are 2.
So 2 cups of brown sugar and 2 sticks of butter. Alright, so now we're going to do the egg thing. So with the egg, you say if you put one at a time, and mix it. So mom, I go crack the egg and me go mix.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
So this is what I have. It's a light yellow buttery mixture. So what you do now?
Yeah, we'll try blend up them fruits, yeah.
And everything in the blender. A fruit basically suck up a whole lot of rum. So we basically are going to add some more red label wine.
In a spoon. Too thick.
Yep, bird you not put this in it.
See it there?
You blade now in there.
Lord Jesus.
Hi!
Turn up.
Rum turn up in it.
Roma say, see me here in it.
Now we can move. So it's in thick, so we add a little more wine.
In it.
Blend it up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add the vanilla. It says 2 teaspoons using my small measuring cup.
And then three in there. What?
Alright, so we add some cinnamon, we add the vanilla, and browning was 2 teaspoons of the vanilla and 3 teaspoons of the browning. And then mix it up, it says with a wooden spoon, so wooden spoon it is.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg. That me do yes.
Jamaicans no measure nothing. Alright.
That's good.
That's how we dash in it, you hear?
No measurement, boy. Cinnamon go up in my nose.
Sure. That's a spice.
Just a splash.
One little tip, right?
Yeah, that much.
There you go.
Alright, next up, half teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon.
Alright, and then baking powder, not soda. 1.
Three that.
Yep. Alright, then mix this up. So all that is mixed up and seasoned up and spiced up, and now we can add the fruit.
Smell tram. So liquid.
This is what we have. Nice and thick already. You know, we are going to put too much flour in it, but it's thick already.
A 3 cup of flour, so everywhere full.
Oh.
You sure? That look nice.
I'm going to add the flour here.
Alright, people.
Yeah?
The thing
So
look
let's say you
good.
test, you know. Alright, nice and thick, but we still need to add the flour and stuff, so.
A long time she left down a yard, you know. So she kind of can't check the language again.
Back and forth.
You ready there?
Just one twang.
Alright.
Go on, me Jamaican girl. Go on with the thing. You see this
a
Jamaican
tired
people?
man.
You see this world people? And cup on
See
it.
that?
One. So you got your people. She was left and me was right. So you know it go. A 2 spoon.
Okay.
We are Jamaican, you know? Can't boil. Wow, go on with Jenna.
Hey!
Hey,
Nice.
what's day?
45 degrees.
Wicked. Thing turn up.
Alright, so if it tasty? If it tasty?
Yeah.
No, it is. Oops. But
Hold on.
Turn up all the nuts. All the raisins.
if you say need nothing,
No
nothing.
need nothing more.
This is a good consistency. And it tastes amazing.
You will label why that
You
one.
feel like what though? Yeah. Hey.
And I just taste the
Bird
taste.
say feel it a walk. Bird say she feel it a walk. It's coming along
You know that,
great. Alright guys, so while mom is making sure the mixture is all smooth, no lumps or anything, I went ahead and greased 2 9-inch pans. You can see. And if needed, I can grab another pan and pour the rest. But we're using, this recipe says 2 9-inch pans. Once you butter it, you have to flour it. So I'm gonna let mom show you that part. So you can put grease liners or whatever they call. But we not do it that way. We do it the real Jamaican way. You just grease the pan and flour it. Okay, flour it everywhere. Flour the pan, grease and flour, as you can see. Go on with that one first. Careful. See, I guess they're right when they say 2 9-inch. Perfect amount. I mean, the things that I have to go pour more in that so in that pan. Look at that. Perfection. Perfection. So that's it, people. We're just gonna put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 2 hours. We're just gonna stick the scene and we'll check back in with you guys. Tell you what going. Alright, so 2 hours later, midnight.
Wow. Oh my God.
Woo!
Show the people.
And then look on it. Look
See
on
it,
it.
yeah.
See them here. Look there. The thing them look good.
Perfection. Number 2. Yes.
Yeah, come and look at them. Oh my God, my mouth is watering right now. My mouth are drain water.
Is it perfect? First time we did it.
My mouth are drain water, people. Water drop out of my mouth.
So, take a butter knife. Clean. The butter jump at me. Put some over here, sir. No, sir. I be a jump people, me can't eat this before me go work. So we're just gonna wrap this up. We're gonna wrap it up with aluminum foil. So that is it, guys. We're gonna wrap it up. Let it soak overnight, cool. And tomorrow evening, I will cut a slice for you guys and show you how it looks. Alright guys, we come back. It's the next day. This cake has been marinating all night. So yeah, a time to cut it. Try it till tomorrow. Hopefully you guys can see it. Will come up easy. Look there.
Wow.
It'll come up easy.
So I'm going to take it out of it now, out of the tin, and put it on a plate, alright?
Turn it back, let me see. Wow, look at that. Perfection. No little burn or anything. Look. See that? Ooh. Alright, so it's time to cut. And let's see.
Wow, that thing here. Must feel like it's ready for eat.
Show the people, show the people.
See it, ya people, see it, ya, see it, ya.
Look at that perfection. Perfect. Just good, man. Put a little more rum on it. A little more wine. This is yummy. What do you think?
Just good, man. For the first time.
For the first time, I think you came out good.
Yes.
I think this is it for this video. So, hopefully you guys enjoy. Close out the video.
Well, my people, my good people out there, I just hope you hold on and like what you see. Right? I just hope you try it for yourself. Right, sir? Alright, big up yourself. Bless up every time. Merry Christmas.
And thank you to IamJamaica.com. That recipe was bomb. And it was easy to follow. I'm going to enjoy this cake for the next few days. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the holidays. And I will see you in my next video.
Peace. Merry Christmas to all of you out there, down a yard and all abroad. Big up on yourself.
Big up on
every
yourself.
time.
Every
Don't watch
time.
nothing.
Period.
Thumbs up.
Period.